On today's body cam, we're checking out woman pulls gun over Wendy's refund, gets her arrested.
Put your hands up! Put the window down! Get out of the car!
On May 5th, officers are called to a Wendy's after a woman pulls a gun out on staff over an issue with her order.
Right here! She has a gun? Don't move! Do not fucking move! Let me see both your fucking hands right now. Let me see both your hands now! I don't see a gun at this time. Don't! Don't reach! Watch crossfire. Put the window down! Put the window down! Put your hands up! Put the window down! Put the window down! Go! Put the window down! Lock the door! Put the window down!
See, shit like this is why people die. Shit like this. Right here. The officers got a call that someone has a firearm. And you think right now is the time for you to play window games. This is how people lose their life. You need to pay attention, put your listening ears on, and follow the instructions for you to be able to make it out of this situation, because I don't want to hear the cop pulled the trigger or whatever, or maybe he got trigger happy, or maybe he did it on accident or whatever. It's a high stressful situation, right? They're trained, but they're also human. People make mistakes, right? But you're not listening. So you're putting yourself in this situation. It's how people get hurt.
Put the window down! Keep the air clear, one at gunpoint. Put the window down! I got a window breaker. Hold her at gunpoint. Put the window. Put the window down! Put the window down! Put the window down! Hands in your hands! They said she had hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hold on! Ow! Ow! Help! 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 Help me! Yep.
Y'all hurting me.
Well, listen then.
I'm pregnant.
Tell you about it, right?
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant, please. My baby. My baby. I just...
Sit down.
Okay, wait. Ouch. Ow. Ow. Oh. Oh, my God.
We're pull back.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Please. Please. Y'all better make sure y'all sort y'all out, because it's going to cost you a lot of money. I'm not even playing. Look at my shit. What the is wrong with you guys? Don't touch my car unless you have a warrant. Close my door now. Okay. Hold on, wait, please. My elbow. I don't know yet. Just leave me right here for a second. I need to think. Can you tell the girls inside to come play my favorite song, please? I'm stressed. I got a lot of stress going on. Oh my God. Do not take nothing of mine out my motherfucking car if you don't have a motherfucking warrant. And everybody's motherfucking shit better have the up. I'm fucking pregnant and you guys are doing this to me? I need some water. I need some water. I need some water. I'm pregnant. You guys don't understand. And I have court May 11th for my son. And you guys are doing this to me.
You did this to yourself. The cops just didn't pop up out of nowhere. They come to respond to a situation. And it seems like you caused the situation, man. You didn't care about you being pregnant when you was doing whatever you was doing. And this arrest could have went a lot smoother. They didn't have to break your window. They didn't have to drag you to the ground. They did that because you wasn't compliant.
What's wrong with you guys? Yeah. This is stop. This is stop. Yeah, I'm sorry about it. Add up. I swear to God, it better not. It better add up. He's gonna cost you a lot. Don't touch anything on my car because it belongs to my son.
Listen, I got you. You got it?
This car is my son. Ow, just died.
We're trying to loosen them up.
Okay.
Relax. Give us your hand a little bit more. Open your hands for a minute. There you go, so we can get the cuffs out.
The fake crying. Here we go.
Oh, okay. And guess what? I know how long fucking warrants take. So y'all better, all y'all stories better add the up. Because I'm tired of this shit.
Put your hand on the back, Dad.
It's time.
Alright, I'm gonna fix it right now, alright?
Please.
Alright, give me 1 second.
I'm pregnant.
Alright, just give me 1 second.
May 11th. I gotta be there May 11th.
Unbelievable.
Oh my God, can I get some water, please? This is my son. This belongs to my son, and nobody can take it from him. Nobody.
You know what, Kevin, I'll send it to you because I don't have his number. I got it.
If I have my shoes.
Where's your shoes at, hon?
I was trying to put it in there before my favorite are Crocs, black, like I like it.
When you guys run down the station,
But can y'all look to make sure that don't touch shit in my car either, because I'm gonna remember everything.
Okay.
And it's being recorded. I recorded it, so multiple cameras, different ways, different angles. So make sure that everybody's story adds up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of y'all. Where's the rest? State y'all badge number and everything else.
Are we waiting for EMS or what are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Yeah, okay.
What are we doing? Can y'all shut the other side of my door? Because I didn't give y'all a warrant to open that motherfucker. There's nobody else in the car. Shut the other side of my fucking door now! Okay.
Put her in a car or something. I don't know.
No, do not touch me. I'm fucking pregnant.
You want to do tongue, guys?
Ow,
Yo,
ow,
you want your hands?
Ow, yes, because I don't know if there's glass or not.
We cleaned them already, right?
Sure thing. I'm going to be watching.
Go on.
Ow.
Watch your head, ma'am. Watch your head.
Don't touch my head. Don't touch my hair. Do not touch my hair.
I'm trying to go. Sit down. Put the seatbelt on you. All right?
I can't.
Give me 1 second. Lay back. Stay back. All right?
Just relax, ma'am.
Relax for a minute. All right?
Just relax.
I need
Give me 1 second. All right?
water. It has to be bottled, please. So I know nobody poisoned me.
Hang tight.
I see that on your shit.
Come on, ma'am. EMS is going to check you out, all right?
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, can I?
Yeah.
Is this,
All right, turn around.
Okay.
I don't know your name, ma'am. I'm the one that's trying to get you help. So you're pregnant, right? I know you got lacerations on your leg. They're gonna be coming around. You let them know all your pain, okay?
All right? Just be careful there. Put your feet over here. Come on.
I have to move slow because I
Okay.
think there's glass in me. I can
All right.
check it.
Be careful with your leg. Go ahead.
How are you?
Good, how are you? My name's Courtney, Bubble EMS. My partner's Gage, bringing the truck around.
Okay?
I don't
Depends
know.
on
I'm going to help you out, all right?
Okay.
Go ahead.
This hand.
This hand?
Yeah,
All right.
because this one is messed up.
Okay.
What's hurting you, honey?
What's right there?
She does have a laceration on those legs.
Yeah, on the ankle right there. I saw that.
Scratch.
Right in where?
In my arm, in my elbow.
No, it
Don't touch it though.
okay. You want me to touch it on the
Yeah, don't touch
Do you
it.
want us to clean it out?
No, I want to clean it out. I just want pictures of everything.
Okay. So
That's it.
I can't take pictures on my phone.
So who can?
You can take pictures on your phone, but
Okay,
because
so let me go get it then.
the officers can go grab it.
Okay, I want a white and a black phone. Both.
I can't take nothing out of your vehicle because they're gonna take it for a search warrant.
You're gonna take it for a search warrant?
That's
So everything that's in there.
They also do have all their body cams going, and you can.
We do have all these going.
And that's all you can.
It's all doc. I know your last.
So
I know
I'm
for sure.
getting nothing.
I know
for
for
my
sure
car.
your lacerations are on my video.
Huh?
The cuts on your legs. I know they're on my video.
And once you get to the hospital can take pictures of all.
Yeah, they can over there.
And then you have documents and everything.
So
It just, we have personal cell phones, and because you're a patient, it's a HIPAA violation for us to take pictures on our personal cell phones of your injuries outside of like a...
okay, so what I want you guys to go do is go get one of the girls in there because they forgot my receipt.
So we're not worried about your receipt.
Well, I am because I need it.
Okay.
I don't care what y'all worried about. You're not actually worried if I'm okay or not, and I just told all these motherfuckers I was pregnant. So
Come on, man. We're done with this BS, man. This is the thing. You gotta do the medical stuff, right? But she got some cuts, you know, some minor things. Clean her up, whatever. But this back and forth right here, man. This is over. She's not hurt. She's not injured. She's not nothing, man. Let's move on.
obviously it's a problem.
So, no, we're here to take you to the hospital.
Yeah,
and get
but
you
I don't even
treatment.
really like hospital. So, and I don't have no number or anything.
So, do you
So what the?
do you
So
want medical
are you
treatment?
refusing
Yeah, I
medical?
do, but I want my receipt because that's what I was waiting for.
So your receipt isn't relevant to your medical care, though. We're worried about getting you medical care.
They have surveillance cameras there. You're going to be on the camera.
Okay, whatever's whatever. It's fine.
Okay.
That's good.
You want to ride over?
Ow, stop.
What happened? I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Go ahead, sit down.
What is wrong with you?
Go.
Like I told y'all I was
Just grab
pregnant.
your
Y'all
phone
need to
there,
calm
just
down.
go
Then
ahead,
why
I'll
am
let
I
you
still cuffed?
You're under arrest.
For what? But I'm going to the hospital.
You're still under
You're
arrest.
still
It don't
under
matter.
arrest.
For what?
We don't. I
For
can't
what?
speak for
Weapon
them.
offenses.
For what?
At the minimum, weapon offenses.
That's registered
That's
to me.
definitely more than that.
You guys are funny.
Alright.
You
I'm
guys are
just passing
funny.
the book bag over to my
See
partner.
your eyes.
All right, get your legs up and your head over this
Do
way,
you
okay?
want help with your legs? Can I
I
touch
don't want
you?
no help. I don't want nobody touching me.
Okay. Can you
I know
swing
what's
your
going
legs
on.
around then?
In a minute. Can I take my time? Can y'all back up? I got a lot going on.
That's right.
Can somebody play some music for me or something? Because
Are you going to go with them or are you going to stay with us?
how would I be getting home?
We'll be able, we're going to pick you up and we'll bring you back to the station.
Back to the station?
Yeah.
One of these gentlemen will be with you.
He's going to be with you the whole time.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
I'd rather do that because I don't like hospitals.
Okay.
My mom goes to the hospital too much and I'm always there. I'm cool.
So you don't want to go to the hospital then?
Nope.
All right. We got to put it back in the car. Come on. Let's go.
But do I have to be handcuffed? That's
You have to.
okay.
Yep.
How far is the police station?
I said this a while ago, man. She just BSing, wasting everybody's time, man. Let's move on.
About a mile and a half.
Okay, I'm okay.
All right. Come on.
Please don't touch
All
me.
right. Go ahead.
You guys have demographic information.
Everybody's story just better be the same. Don't
You
worry.
got to put the seatbelt, right?
Sure.
All right. Swing back a little bit so I can grab it. Go ahead.
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
All right.
Cool.
Try to get the number there. This might have to be dark too for the flash.
Yeah, I got it.
I'll give it to you in a second.
Make sure it's the right one. Pussy boy. Because if the story's going out up, it's y'all gonna be fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up. If you can't drive, I'm fucked up. Fucked up. I'm gonna get you an extra bag. Yeah, run that serial number, pussy boy. Yeah, alright. Make sure your story aligns. Make sure your story aligns. Make sure your story aligns. Can I speak to a therapist? Can I get a therapist? Can I get a therapist? Let me pick up that fucking napkin so at least both of y'all stories fucking add up.
Are you done being childish? You gonna pick it up
Yeah,
now?
I'm being serious as fuck.
Alright.
Hurry up, hurry
I'm
up,
tougher
hurry
now.
up.
Put it in the front. This is the last time we're doing this, and then you're just
Yeah,
gonna
I
sit there.
know. Oh God.
Okay. Oh God, yes. Like, come on, man.
Right, stop playing these pussy old games.
Come on. Pick up the napkin, please.
Yes.
Let her get a drink and she's going back in the bar. You can put them in the trash over there. Put her back in the bar.
Okay.
The suspect faces charges for resisting arrest, obstructing justice, aggravated menacing, and unlawful use of a firearm. Leave a
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers. failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
Shy got
We